As today we talk about how can you find card props on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just found this list here. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on card browser here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And here you will find all card browser you have in this list here. Then here can you select from your default here or this or default here. That's all I wish you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to see. So here can you find it? I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.